If you're a struggling affiliate marketer or you're just getting started, I want to give you 6 essential tips for success with affiliate marketing. You see, when I first got started in affiliate marketing, there was a lot to learn and a lot of shiny objects to distract you from what was essential to succeed. So today, I'm going to give you 6 tips for what you should do to ensure your success. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. On today's video, I'm going to reveal the 6 things or tips that I wish I knew when I first started in affiliate marketing to ensure success. Now, you might be saying, hey Andrew, why should I listen to you? Well, the simple answer is that I've been building online businesses for over 5 years now, and I've made some mistakes. And along the way, I've also identified what is essential for success. When I'm coaching my customers to succeed with affiliate marketing, these are the 6 tips that I focus on, the most time on and attention on, because they are the things that get results over time. None of these tips are get rich quick or instant success formulas like you might have heard elsewhere. These are the simple but effective things you should be doing that are essential for your success. So let's get stuck into the 6 essential tips for success with affiliate marketing. The first one is build an audience. Now, this is quite simply the most important tip I can give you, and the lesson that I truly wish I had learned a lot earlier in my affiliate journey. I see a lot of people spewing their affiliate links all over the place, sending people directly to their affiliate offer. This is particularly prevalent in the Forex space. It seems to be the go-to strategy, especially on Facebook. But just don't do it. Simple as that. If you want success in affiliate marketing, you need to be building your own audience. This audience is your number 1 asset. Now, some of you will know that I'm also a teacher of money management and investing courses. So understanding assets is something that I'm pretty good at. And I know how important they are to your long-term success and wealth. So when I say your audience is your number 1 asset, I mean it is your number 1 way of making money in the future. Because here's the cold hard reality. People don't buy from you the first time they see your stuff in the majority of cases. Shocking, I know. If all you do is spew your links all over the place, you're subscribing to what I call hope marketing. You hope people will click on it and buy and you'll make some money. Odds are against you, I'm afraid. So let's throw hope marketing to the curb and instead build an audience, that is an email list, so you can go back to them time after time and make more offers to them. Over time, you can build up your brand and your trust with the audience, and then they're more likely to buy from you. There's a statistic going around in the online world that suggests you need 32 touch points with someone before they'll purchase from you, which is up from just 7 a few short years ago. This means that your audience needs to see your stuff 32 times before you've built up the know, like and trust factor enough to buy from you. This can be in the form of social media posts, emails, offers, etc. It doesn't have to be and won't be 32 times of seeing the same thing, but 32 pieces of content that you put out to the online world. This is you building your brand and profile so people trust you when they buy. Having people on your email list means you can market to them for years to come as long as you keep them interested in what you offer. So number 1 is build your audience as it's your number 1 asset. Now, you might be asking, how do I build an email list when doing affiliate marketing? So let's look at tip number 2. So tip 2 is to create a bridge page. Now, what do I mean by a bridge page? Simply, it's a web page that sits between the affiliate offer, where you can offer something for free in exchange for the prospect's email address before you send them to the affiliate offer. This is another essential requirement of your business and how you achieve tip 1 of growing your audience. Now, I've created a video on the 3 web pages you need for an affiliate marketing business, which you can access by clicking the link above. I'll also leave a link in the description and how you can get access to some done for you pages that I've created for you. All you need to do is change the text to yours and you're good to go. So check the description for a link to get those pages for free. The bridge page, while collecting an email address, also has another important purpose, which is to introduce you and show how you are going to be someone who offers value. This is creating a point of difference between you and all those that just put affiliate links everywhere and hope to get some sales. So tip number 3 is buy the product yourself. This one probably sounds simple and maybe even not necessary, but let me tell you why I think it's essential. If you are seen to be constantly promoting a product that you don't own, eventually people will work that out and it won't look good to them. Your trust factor takes a massive hit. Knowing how a product works and why you would want to promote it is a big deal. You should own the product and be able to help your customers with implementing or using the product from personal experience. It's a lot easier to promote with integrity when you can say, I use this product, I bought it, and I back it because of the reason or that reason or this reason, whatever it might be. It's why I'm a big promoter of the Partner with Anthony program, because I use it, I believe in it, and I think it's the best way to learn not only affiliate marketing, but any form of online marketing. If you want to see my review of the PWA program, click the link above. It's a raw review, did a little while back, but gives you an idea of how you can increase your trust factor when you can talk openly about a product that you're using. So number 4 of the essential tips is to have your own bonuses. Now you might be saying, but I don't have anything to give. I get that. That's what most people think when you're starting out. But here's the thing, and this is something that I learned from my first online marketing mentors, and that is you don't need to be an expert or to have lots of products to help people. You just need to be one step ahead of them. That means you can offer them your help, be their coach. One of the things newbies or beginners value the most is the done for you model or done with you. If you're one step further down the path of success, you can offer to help your customers with your time. Now, this isn't going to be a long-term thing. Just at the beginning, you can offer some help to make sure your customers implement. By helping them implement, you both are more likely to make money in the long term. And that's a good thing, right? Now, you may know that I'm on a mission to help 1 million people make more money and have a secure financial future. So one of the bonuses that I offer my people is one-on-one support to get them set up in the first 30 days. Those initial 30 days are crucial to help your people to know that they too can have success. If you can nurture them and guide them, they'll thank you down the line as they see the benefits of having had someone to guide them. So you don't need your own products or courses to get started. Just something that will help your people move forward implementing the program that you've linked them up with. Like I said, it's what I do with the Partner with Anthony program, which if you want to get started with that program after watching my review that I mentioned earlier, then I'll have a link in the description to get you started and hooked up with my special bonus package. So number 5 is to create consistent content. Now again, you might be saying, but Andrew, I don't know what content to create. And I get that. I thought the same thing when I started. But the fact is that Google and YouTube are your friend here. Do some simple searches of keywords that you used when you first got started or were looking into an online business, and they'll give you heaps of ideas. I use this technique to get ideas and then plan 30 video topics at a time. I'll create a list of ideas from these searches and just add them to the list. As I'm creating content, I come back to the list and expand on it and refine the topics to things that I believe my audience will benefit from knowing or hearing about. You don't have to reinvent the content wheel. Just put your own personal touch and experience to the topics and away you go. You'll have more content ideas than you know what to do with. The key with content is to be consistent. Now on this channel, I'm currently doing 2 video trainings per week. I'm thinking of adding a 3rd so you can see there's no shortage of content to help your audience with. Consistency wins the day. The more you produce, the sooner your numbers will grow. And before you know it, you'll have thousands of subscribers to your YouTube channel or Facebook group. You'll sit back and go, where did they all come from? It will all be about your consistency. And the final tip, number 6, is to track your links. Now I've kept this to last as I wanted to make sure it stuck with you. It's so important because the online world is a constant game of trial and error, or test, test and retest. You need to know what's working and what's not. And the best way to do that is to track your links. Now I'll leave a link in the description to the tool I use to track my links, which is inexpensive and simple to use. The thing is, you need to be able to see where your traffic comes from, what's generating sales or opt-ins and what isn't, so you can refine and scale what's working and turn off what isn't. Simple. And if you aren't tracking your links, you simply won't know and could end up spending money on campaigns that aren't working or miss the opportunity to scale a campaign that's doing really well. So track your links always, no excuses. It's not expensive, but it's very expensive if you don't. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you an idea of how you can use these tips to help grow your affiliate marketing business. So let's do a quick recap of today's training and the 6 essential tips for success with affiliate marketing. Number 1, build your audience, your number 1 asset. Number 2, use a bridge page to collect emails and build your brand. Number 3 was buy the products you promote. Number 4, have your own bonuses to add value to your offer. Number 5, create consistent content and track. Number 6, track your links. So thanks for watching today's training. If you want to get started with a system that will support you to grow an online business, selling other people's products to start with, click the link below to get personal training and support from me and access to a system that has thousands of people making a laptop lifestyle income. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. And do me a favor, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you think of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to everyone. I want to hear from you and know whether this training was useful for you. And don't forget, to get started, click the link below to join me in starting your affiliate marketing business and have you earning an income in the first 30 days.